Nice cat. The introduction. We are going to the supermarket. Unlike in other countries like Philippines or other places where when you're walking with the camera or your phone and you're making a video, then everyone is saying hi, making smiles, making likes. Here people are still watching you as you are weird or crazy and reacting angry when you are walking around with a camera and asking you to turn it off. So in Philippines and other countries, they will be very happy and making fun, making big smiles, saying subscribe, hi, hello, everything like that. Here, no way. People are reacting angry, asking you to off the camera. That's a real big difference. So yeah, but anyway, we're on our way to the grocery store. I thought I had everything, but I did forgot something, so I need to buy it. And so let's go.
Hello, hello, Nam may love you. Why? Hello, Papa.
Nitan, magisi ng silupin. May isa na. Ano yung ibit-bit ba na?
Back at the house, and it's time for me to open my package that I received yesterday. I did not open it yet. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, I did already open it, and yes, what we got here, we got different kinds of Filipino tea, Pito 7 herbs, and Lagundi, I don't know how to pronounce it. And Banaba, also don't know how to pronounce it. Another Banaba. And Malungai tea. So all kind of good yummy tea, and also good when you're not feeling really well. It will help. Okay everyone, thank you for watching, and maybe in the coming days I will go outside and make a walk and talk video again, or maybe ride the sim going somewhere. It depends on, there are a lot of things I still need to do. I need to visit my physical therapist, I need to go to the doctor, get my medicine. But I'm sure I can squeeze in the time to make a video. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next. Bye bye.